It's that wonderful time of the year again, but you're on a budget. What better way to say I love you than a handmade gift for your loved one? In this video, I'm going to show you how to conserve that extra wax from your candles. Ever have a candle that will no longer light, regardless of that extra inch of wax? All you'll need is a butter knife. Using your knife, scrape your candle wax out of the jar, getting as much out as possible. Form a ball with the wax you just removed. You should now be able to easily cut wax from the ball you just formed. Drop as many pieces as needed inside of your wax melter. There, now you have wax melts. The remaining jars can be used as tea light holders or other decorative gifts. To do this, put the jars in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Wipe out your jars completely using a paper towel. Place your tea light inside of the jar. All there's left to do is light and enjoy. Now you have 2 in 1. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. Happy holidays!